All right, this is the counterweight on the front end loader. I figured I'd do a quick video just to show what it was. Basically, those are the steel plates off the signs. Again, the base came from it actually came out of scrap. I got really lucky with it. Somebody had it loaded up on their scrap bin to take to metal recyclers, and I got it from them. But it doesn't use a top link. It's just basically underslung on the rear pieces, and it kind of catches under here and counterbalances itself. So all I gotta do is hook up to it, back up, pin it, start the tractor up and lift it, and it just sits there basically in a sling, which is really cool. The front end loader, I'm getting ready to hook it up. This is again, it's designed to set up like a quick hitch. You can pull up to it, get those things to sit in the tines, which that one's not really in yet, but it will be in a second. All right. That's it, it's pretty much on. All I gotta do is throw the pins in it. I haven't made the quick connects, but she's on there. All right, this is a quick video just to show the function of it. Excuse my attire, but I'm doing yard work and pond work today, but I figured I'd give an idea of how the functionality, how high this thing goes. I don't know if I can get it all to sit in there, or if this will sit still where I got it, so I'm gonna try this.